Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I know almost every video that I do, you could hear my voice. It's because my mobile app is right on my bed, which is right here to my right. So if you saw the thumbnail and title, I'm gonna show you where all the buttcoin stashes are in. All the buttcoin stashes in construction site. I know I'm a little delayed. I was totally not banned for 7 days. So before we get in there, I want to show you a new thing that they added. The new thing that they added is this. It'll follow wherever this thing is. I don't think you guys can see it, but the moving camera, the camera that came out like 2 updates ago, now it follows it wherever it goes. It'll follow up there, everywhere where you put it, like down there too. All right, so let's get right into the video. All right, so now that I'm in here, I'm gonna be showing you where all the buttcoin stashes, starting right now. All right, I don't need that. My bad. All right, so the first one's pretty easy. It's next to the world map right here. The next one, you want to come over here to this dumpster. If one of my friends see this video, they're gonna say where you belong. I'm just guessing that. There'll be a button right here. The third one, the third one, you have to come to this underwater whatever. On one of these things, there'll be a buttcoin stash. Yep, right here. On the third one, it's gonna be right here, right there somewhere, up there, right here. The fourth one, you have to come over here. Go up the zip line. Alright. So you come over here. Drop down. I think I went the wrong way. Oh, no way! Alright, back. Alright, so you wanna come to this little crack. And then you can't even see it, and so the buttcoin stash is gonna be right here. The next one is over here. You wanna somehow exit, and then oh, no way. Then it's up here, right here, next to the speaker and the player. Alright, I showed you all the buttcoin stashes, and this is the end of the video. Alright, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you have a wonderful day or night. Peace.